Hello traders, this is Ala Peters. It is 1:57 EST. FOMC release in 3 minutes. What did the price told us so far? Our bias had been extremely bullish on our guiding light 1 hour. As you always know and remember, I emphasize the importance of decision point 2. That's why the bullish rally is taking a major pause. Does it have enough power to continue further up? We had been buying S&P drastically lower down from 1966 and 1971 area. So let's see what S&P will do next. But first, do not forget what we've been discussing on monthly chart. As first time ever, monthly chart since 2010 staging extremely powerful bearish correction since price came very close to reversal zone. It's extremely crucial months on S&P. The next few weeks and the next few months are absolutely crucial. It will determine if this is a correction or is this a reversal. This is what will separate knowledgeable trader who will get the heck out of the markets versus trader who would remain in position trade. Again, potential complete market reversal we had not seen since 2008. Next few months are crucial, with December being the most powerful. We've seen extremely similar formation in October, where last time buyers stepped in on S&P. Once again, from decision point 2. Wink wink, remember? Decision point 2, where buyers stepped in from, finished the correction. This is exactly the same level on hourly chart. 1 minute until FOMC release. Let's see what will play out. Let's go to the live traders news source. FOMC is out at any second. Just a reminder why our buyers today remained completely bullish and why we had been buying here. Because reversal zone on daily had been reached. This is where sellers stepped in from, and this is where buying pressure started way before FOMC. FOMC is out, completely out. Fed rate forecast. Officials see first hike in 2014. Pretty important, especially considering where we are on monthly. But the beautiful thing is, buyers picking up this theme, which telling us what? That's telling us that potentially this bearish collapse is completely over. That more than likely, this is only bearish correction. Next few weeks are absolutely crucial. Will buyers pick up this theme? Again, if you know Alpha Wave Trader rules, you know where reversal zone is. Buyers stepped in due to reversal zone of the bearish trend being reached. Pay attention to where our guiding light hourly chart is currently. Bullish rally came to reversal zone. We're allowing price to settle down completely. After price will settle down, we'll monitor for entry because we know this bullish rally is way overextended. The buying opportunities were drastically earlier, which we had taken advantage of in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Buying S&P on multiple charts and multiple time frames since 9:30 EST this morning. So we knew extremely well not to touch S&P at such overextended levels, so what we're waiting for currently is a push down. Then we will touch FOMC price on S&P, but only if rules will be obeyed. We know extremely well acquiring position anywhere in reversal zone, extremely bad idea. Currently monitoring for selling pressure. If we will have trade that obeys the rules, buying opportunity as low as possible, we will acquire position. If not, had plenty of bullish trades prior. We ain't buying inside the reversal zone. We may be shorting S&P at any moment, as we know extremely well. Bullish trend came to the exhaustion level. So we're monitoring for a short position here. At any moment, we will learn how powerful selling pressure is, but this is completely expected. All the levels spelled out by the price since overnight session. So we did not take a short trade, we just took two quick, very small charts, two long trades. Here's a trade heading up to reversal zone. Here we go. Pay attention to this level. It's absolutely crucial and essential to respect this level. Trail extremely closely. Your trail 250. Here's a trade on totally different chart. This trade is not at reversal zone yet. Not at reversal zone yet. You're witnessing the importance of monitoring for a trade formation. You're witnessing the importance of playing by the rules. Reversal zone on extremely small time frame. Here we go, 4 points later. Reversal zone on totally different chart. Drastically higher targets. Drastically earlier point of entry. I'm going into the wave expansion on this trade. On the wave expansion, the trade is at decision point 2. Next level, 2007.25. Do not ignore the fact that our guiding light hourly in reversal zone. Pay attention how precise, once again, decision point 2 is on the trade expansion. My other chart in reversal zone. Formula remains the same. It doesn't matter what you trade. Adore and worship Fibonacci levels and trail extremely carefully. So again, as you're witnessing, we knew that buyers were stepping in with vengeance due to extremely clear and simple chart. Let me show you and let me remind you where the buying pressure came from. Because crucial daily levels had been reached, this rally had been completely expected and we've been taking advantage of it since long time ago. Since 9:30 EST, it is 6 hours later. Bearish trend came to massive pause and setting up for very powerful bullish rally for the remainder of the next few days. We'll reevaluate everything in our bootcamp every single day, including tomorrow, and especially before we close for the month. So here we go. This trade that we took from 2000 is currently not far off from reversal zone, and here is completely different trade that's also at reversal zone. You simply play by the rules, and the same logic you use on very small chart you use on much larger time frame. So this is extremely promising for this bearish push to the downside. Currently daily chart is telling us that it's only bearish correction. This is extremely powerful bullish structure. This is extremely powerful inception of the bullish rally. I will keep giving you updates every single day. And if you know where reversal zone is, you know where S&P is currently from 2050, 6 points later on two charts. It's that simple. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. You don't need anything else. You just have to respect the volatility and play by the rules. The sky's the limit. You can trade any instrument and any time frame as long as your account size allows you so. And here is the reversal zone, and selling pressure is in on S&P, just like we knew it would, as it confirmed by multiple charts on multiple time frames. So again, S&P completely reversed from reaching reversal zone to 2006.50, and this is where it is currently, on extremely small time frame. And as expected, our guiding light hourly finding the selling pressure. Reminding you, if you're buying outside of reversal zone. We've acquired the position pretty darn close. This is absolutely a very, very last buying opportunity. Buying anywhere here is the worst idea ever. As you could see, price collapses as expected because reversal zone had been reached. So have a marvelous afternoon. It's extremely promising and extremely powerful bullish rally. So everybody can exhale. Reversal zone of the bearish trend is in. Buyers mean serious business. Again, as long as that S&P can get the heck out of decision point 1, where it was not able to break through the last 2 days. This remains the key. But the power of the buyers from reversal zone is very, very crucial and very, very impressive. As long as it will continue, as long as it will continue for the next hour and into European session, this buying pressure means serious business. We are out of here. It is 2:22 EST. Every single trade today we had taken had been only bullish on S&P. Knowing extremely well, perfect place to buy was here. Buying where we bought was pretty darn late. And that's the power of the price. Stay tuned.